Hello everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. So take a box and take the beautiful printed sheet like this and fold it over the box. So here we are showing you different ways to wrap the gifts. Now fix it from the sides, follow each step as we are folding it. Now press it from the sides and paste it like this. Fix it properly in the same manner as we are showing in this video. Now put the double-sided tape over it and paste it. After that you can put the stickers over it and it's ready. Put an envelope inside it. Now you can tie the ribbon on the top like this. So fix the ribbon and fold it in the same manner as we are folding it. Now turn it from the between like this. Now make a bow on the top. Roll the ribbon around each other and fix it like this. Pull it from the sides and press it and it's ready. Next, take a box and put the paper like this. Now fix it on the top as well from all the sides. Now fold it from the side as well. Fold it like this and fix it by putting the double-sided tape and paste it. Paste it properly in the same manner as we are folding it. Watch these steps very carefully, how we are folding the sheet and how we are fixing it from top the sides like this. Now put the double-sided tape on the bottom and fold it like this. Fix it by folding it. Now we will tie the ribbon over it if you want. Fix it from the other end too. Now fix it by putting the double-sided tape. Don't use the cello tapes like this. So here we are using the double-sided tape. Now put the envelope over it like this and then tie the ribbon if you want, otherwise it's ready. Next, take another box like this and then we will put some different papers over it like this. So fold it from the sides, fix it by folding it like this. Now fix it from the other side as well. Here we are using double-sided tape to fix the papers. Paste it like this and fold it and stick it properly. Now follow these steps in the same manner as we are folding. Tuck it from the sides, fold it like this and again press it from the other side like this by putting the double-sided tape. Press it and fix it like this and then you can tie the ribbon over it. So here we have taken a yellow color ribbon, fold it from the sides like this, roll it and then again fix it from all the sides. Now in the between we will make a bow. Fold it like this from the between and then tie it like this and pull it from both the sides to make a bow. Fix it and your bow is ready. I hope you liked it. Next, take another box as shown in the video. Now take the sheet, fold it from the sides in the same manner as we are folding it. Now press it, fold it as shown in the video. Now tuck it from the other side, press it like this and paste it. Now take the ribbon and fix it from all the four sides like this. Now tie it like this in the front, paste it using the double-sided tape, make a bow over it and paste it like this. Fold it and then join it like this. Tie it from the between and fix it over the bow and your wrapping is ready. Next, take the box and then wrap it. Now put the ribbon over it in the same manner. Take another piece of ribbon, fold it like this. Now we will join them together. Take small pieces like this and join them in the ascending or descending order of your choice like this. Now fix it, fold the ribbon like this and roll it. Now after that, paste it over the ribbon in the sheet and your bow is ready. Next, take a box, wrap it using the wrapping paper like this. Fold it from the sides as we are folding it. Fix it from the other side as well. Apply the double-sided tape over it like this and then fold it. After folding it, press it and then fix it together on the top. Now remove the paper sticker from the between and you can put some envelope on it like this and it's ready. Next, take a box and follow these steps very carefully as shown in the video. Take a ribbon and roll it from the sides. Put the bow in the between like this. Now take red color ribbon and then fold it like this from the between. Watch these steps very carefully and follow it very carefully as shown in the video to make the ribbon or the bow like this. Fix it in the same manner and paste it and it's ready. Thanks for watching the video.